Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to sort the string array by using Java Stream API. So let's go to IntelliJ. In IntelliJ I have already created a project name as a Java program. You can see here I am going to src folder, main folder, Java folder, and I have already created a package com.stream. In here I am creating a Java classes and defining the name as stream sort example. After created the Java class file, let's define a main method in here. So I am typing main and entering the type main and entering the control plus shift, entering it. Now defining list of string array list equal to arrays as a list, arrays as list. Here defining the name like Aman, Roma, Roma, Ram Babu, Java classified, importing the list classes. Now I am going to apply the stream API. So defining array list dot stream dot sorted method used for sorting purposes. So I am going to sort this as a ascending order and collecting it into a list and storing in a variable, printing this variable, ascending order and list, running it, right click and run with main method. It will give the output Aman, then Java classified, Ram Babu and Roma. Aman, Java classified, Ram Babu and Roma. You can see here. Now I'm going to convert in descending order as well. So here defining array of list, descending, list equal to array list dot stream dot sorted. Here defining comparator dot reverse order dot to list and printing. Yeah, here we need to define capital letter L, which is list type. Now printing it, descending order, descending order, running it. Yeah, it will give the output Roma, Ram Babu, Java classified and Aman. You can see here. So by using Stream API, we can easily easily achieve the ascending and descending order of the data. So thank you for watching my this video. If you like my this video, you can subscribe my channel for further update. Thank you.